Josh, Zach. Jigsaw from Saw forgot to prepare anything and has to just kind of wing it.
Welcome to the chamber.
What is this place?
I bet you're finding yourself really, really scared.
I am, please. Please, I don't know what happened and I'm sorry. Please, just can I go?
No, you can't go. Not until...
What? Until what?
1 second. Okay, so, there should be a box in the middle of the room.
There's not a box. I don't see a box.
Huh?
I don't see a box.
There's no box in the middle of the room?
I'm looking around and the room seems kind of empty to me. There's a blanket, but that's about it.
Okay, let's start. If you're afraid of fire...
I'm actually really not.
Got you up there!